Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to the show, Foods 254. Today we are lucky to be joined by Chef Meshach. Karibu sana kwa Foods 254. Tell us more about yourself.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, my name is Meshach. No one calls me Meshach.
Oh, how do they call you?
Just Shach.
Oh, Shach.
Yes. Without the R.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a chef by profession.
Okay.
I've been doing this for a little over 15 years.
That's little.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Well.
So today I'm here to show you what I've learned over the years. So you guys at home can also be chefs in now.
Before we get to what you want to prepare for us today, how has it been for you for all, 15 years,
Yes.
your experience? You know?
I actually wanted to be a lawyer at first.
Okay.
But I thought I'd be a chef a little bit.
Okay.
Then I'd pick it up, but I've stuck with it all through.
You still want to be a lawyer?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Okay, so 15 years. Anything can happen,
Anything
you know?
can happen,
Yeah.
yes. Dreams are valid.
Dreams are valid.
Yes.
So take us through your recipe for today.
We're doing fluffy pancakes
Okay.
with butterscotch sauce. It's actually basic. It's what I call an all-in-all process.
Wow.
You mix everything together and it comes together just like that.
So this is is it a snack? Is it a meal?
It can be had as breakfast.
Okay.
And when you're not feeling like having a heavy meal, you can have pancakes.
People just know the normal pancakes, you know, just water, milk, fluffy. How do they look like? I mean,
The ones that you usually do at home,
Yeah.
the ones that look like chapati,
oh,
they're usually
yeah.
known
But those
as...
are the ones I made.
Yeah, they're usually known as crepes.
Crepes.
Yes,
Okay.
it's a French term, French pancakes. These are more of American pancakes.
Okay.
Yes, so that's
So-
what we're doing today.
We are ready.
Yeah.
I want to get to know your ingredients. Yeah, what you need to prepare the fluffy.
Okay,
Pancakes.
here we have flour, wheat flour. Usually I'll use 2 cups of wheat flour.
Okay.
We have sugar, we have baking powder, and to give the pancakes a kick, I usually use tea masala in my cooking.
Oh, really?
Yes, not just in tea. It goes well with everything else. So your basic tea masala. Then we have eggs, we have milk.
And what's the brown?
This is brown sugar, butter, and double cream. That is what we use for the sauce.
What's the first step?
Okay,
Yeah.
the first step is we sift the flour.
This is 2 cups
This is
already.
2 cups of flour,
Okay.
yes. So go ahead and do this.
Why do we have to sift by the way?
When you sift flour, you aerate the flour. You add air into the flour. In layman's terms. Yes.
You add air
You add air to the flour, exactly.
and the pancakes become fluffy.
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
That's the baking powder. Is what?
Okay.
Oh, yes.
wow.
Put this aside here. Then we go for the sugar.
The amount.
This is half a cup.
Okay.
This for the baking powder was 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Yeah, for the milk, we'll do 2 cups. This is 1.
This is fresh milk.
This is fresh milk, yes. So we'll use 1 egg. Don't try this at home.
Okay.
Don't try this
Where are we
at
supposed
home.
to try it? Okay, ulifanya? Kai, you're a shark. Amekafinya hivi.
No, it's sijaifinya.
Eh?
You crack it, then you just open it. Then we go for the tea masala.
Okay.
Yes. have-
Chef atatuonyesha mambo.
We have cooking oil here. This is half a cup.
You're gonna use all that?
Yes.
Oh.
We'll use some to cook.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll just leave some out. There you go. Then, I like orange. I have some orange flavor. Right here, just this
Oh,
one.
this.
Yes.
Oh,
There you go.
this is orange flavor.
Yes. It's orange oil actually. Yeah. So Yes.
It's orange.
you put one cup like that. There you go. Then we mix it all.
Okay.
Like I said, it's an all-in-all process. It's not complicated. Yeah, here we go.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. So for these pancakes, the batter is not supposed to be runny. It's supposed to be a bit thick. And that's it.
That's it.
Yes, just put it here. And then for these pancakes, since we put oil here, we won't be cooking it with, you see the way you make eggs, you'll have to oil your pan all the time. We won't do that.
Yeah.
We'll just oil it once.
Okay.
Yes.
For the
Yeah, for the whole time.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll show you how. Yes.
So do you have like a place where people get to order their food from you, or it's a how do they get to?
What happens is this. I bake cakes.
Okay.
That's what people can order. What I concentrated on when I was in school was basically the hot kitchen, which means not much into pastries. Yeah, but after that, I decided to self-teach myself. YouTube is big.
Oh,
So that's where I
is
used
big.
to go, yes. Now I bake cakes and I sell them.
Wow.
For pancakes, food, everything else, you just stop by and eat. Yeah. So what I've done is I've just oiled the pan lightly.
Okay.
So that's how what we use to cook the
To,
pancakes.
to make all
Yes,
these pancakes.
yeah. The pan, you don't have to let it smoke, otherwise it will burn. The pancakes will brown on the outside, but inside they won't cook. So all you need is medium heat. The mixture isn't very light. That's how it's supposed to be here.
And if you can just show me here.
Yeah, there you go. See? It's not too runny and it's not too thick either. Yeah. Let's see if the pan is hot enough. Let's do a quick test here. And then the other trick is, if you want to know the pancake is ready on that side, you'll see bubbles on this side.
Okay.
So that's when you'll turn them over. So let's see, let's give it a quick turn here.
And I'm actually, it's not even sticking to
No,
the
it's
pan.
not. No. Oh, see?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So approximately on each side, you'll give it about maybe 45 seconds, 45 seconds.
And it will be cooked
Yes.
very well.
Yes.
Oh.
So, as we wait for this, I want us to do the butterscotch sauce.
I give you this.
Yes. Now for the butterscotch sauce, we will definitely need butter. This is butter right here. Just let it melt like that. Again, it's an all-in-all process. Nothing complicated. Brown sugar. Put it right in there. Oops. There you go. Double cream. There you go.
This is cream?
Whipping cream.
Whipping cream,
Yes.
okay.
You can get it in the supermarket.
Okay.
Yes. So this will just let it cook on its own.
Okay.
Yeah? Yes.
For how long?
This, you cook it up until all the sugar dissolves. Yeah, up until everything marries, everything merges, everything mixes in well,
And they become one.
and they become one. And nothing will bring them asunder. Okay. There you go. So we'll just leave this to continue.
Okay.
Let's continue with our pancakes.
So this is just how you prepare the butterscotch.
Yes, brown sugar, butter, and double cream. And you just let it cook on its own. You don't need to rush it. By the time you're done making the pancakes, this will be ready.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. The sauce is usually brown in color.
Okay. What happens if I use white sugar?
It won't be a butterscotch sauce.
It will be
For brown
something
sugar,
else.
it has a distinct taste. It's not the normal refined sugar.
Okay.
You've eaten skaringuru?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this
that's
is
what it will taste like.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, the bubbles.
Yes, the bubbles.
Wow.
Pancake number
Those
2.
pancakes.
You want to try?
Eh,
No
I
problem. Aye.
have to try. Tatokea hivyo. Hata sikuona kinyo.
Haina shida. Ni pancake tunakula, sio shape.
Si shape.
Si shape.
Nisikie mtu akiongea hapa nini.
Si shape. Ni pancake.
Okay.
Aye.
So I just put kidogo.
Yeah.
Ama whole.
Like that. You have to be close to the pan.
Okay.
Aye.
Do I add more?
No, that is fine.
That
That is fine.
Oh my god, it's round.
Mm.
I did it.
That is very okay.
So I'll have to wait.
Now you wait for the bubbles. Yes.
Bubbles.
Be patience, eh?
Waiting.
Patience. Don't rush anything, eh? This one, we can turn it off now.
Okay.
And let it cool. Yes, that way. Yeah. Then all the way.
Ni chef fish.
Then, there you go. Pancakes are done.
So easy.
Raka raka. Easy peasy.
So we are marinating them.
Yes, tunazi marinate. Eh?
With the
Butterscotch sauce. Yes. Now, even ukunaendanga, take a spoonful and spread. Take a spoonful, spread. Then take one, put like that.
So I have to bite zikishika.
Nah, you stack them all the way to the top. And for those who do not like sugary things like this, unaweza ziacha tu zikiwa hivyo plain. For those who have a sweet tooth, right. And that is it. Tafuta fork mahali and you start eating. Amekuja kama ameenda. Well, there you have it. Pancakes with the butterscotch sauce.
It's so simple, not complicated. This is something easy you can make from your home.
Yes.
Let's share.
Si tamu?
Tamu? Namletea na makubwa.
So this go well with everyone. Go breakfast, mid-morning, afternoon snack, chai ya saa 10. On Instagram, I go by the hashtag #HappyFoodShack. Yeah, so if you see anything on there that you might like, but I usually do cakes most of the time. Yes, so if you want to order for a birthday cake, anniversary cake, just cake, anytime is cake time.
This is a very easy recipe for you. The ingredients are available. It's a meal, it's a snack you can enjoy at your place. And I want to wish you a happy new year and a prosperous year. And as always, kama kawaida, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. You can also leave us a comment. Bye bye.